Thanks for being here with me today on a nice little afternoon here. Maudie with MU Can Garden. Today what we're going to be working on is harvesting our potatoes. Yes, if you remember, we planted these out back mid-March, and I've kind of just been letting them do their thing, but now they're just about ready. We've had our flowers come and go. This one has a flower or so on it, but you know what, I'm getting kind of antsy and I'm ready to harvest them. I had a few weeks back planted a few more to have some harvest for fall, but anyhow, let's jump into it. Again, if you have not yet hit like or subscribe, please do so. Be sure you subscribe, hang out with me and see what kinds of things we get to do here. It's a little fun. What I've got here is I've been growing my potatoes here in the grow bag. Sorry, I'm trying to find a spot here. The sun's just like right in my eyes. I planted these back and we've been growing them in the grow bags here, so the fabric pots. So it's just kind of like treasure hunting. You can kind of, I'll start with this one here. And I did put down the plastic here, just like a plastic garbage bag. If I need to, I can just dump it on here and kind of sift through it. But we had planted, oh gosh, what was it? Red and yellow potatoes. I'm going to kind of pull this up a little bit here. And I haven't watered this for a while just because I wanted to see, you know, it might be a little easier to harvest when you haven't watered. That's fine for potatoes. Look at that. Let's see what we get here. I like my potatoes a little on the smaller side, so this is just perfect here. And these are our red potatoes. Look at that. Let's lay those out here. It's kind of fun when you're harvesting potatoes, especially if you're growing them in a container, because it's, you know, treasure hunting. You just never know how far down they are or aren't. Alright, so yes, I have multiple grow bags of potatoes, but I was only harvesting one today so that I could put this in with tonight's dinner. So not too bad. Originally planted 3 potatoes in each sack. I got about 4 or 5 good-sized potatoes and a ton of tiny little potatoes there. So I'm pretty pleased with this. We're gonna get these inside, wash them up, and cook them for tonight's dinner. Now, we'll just clean this up here. Again, thanks for hanging out with me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the comment section down below and let me know, if there's anything else you think I should do with these, aside from maybe roasting them, or what kind of potatoes you like to grow. All right, well, thank you so much for being here with me today.